Found a GPD file in a printer driver package and wondering what it does? This is a printer definition file used by the Windows print system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these generic printer description files work in the Windows printing architecture. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single GPD file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. GPD files are generic printer description files used by the Windows Unidrv Universal Printer Driver to define the capabilities and features of specific printer models. They contain printer attribute definitions including paper sizes, resolutions, color modes, duplexing options, and command sequences that configure the universal driver for a particular printer. GPD files use a text-based macro language with entries defining printer features and their associated PCL PJL or custom command strings. They specify DevMode structure mapping UI feature visibility constraints between options and GPD-specific directives that customize the Unidrv rendering pipeline for the target printer hardware. For the GPD file type, Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation is a trusted and reliable source. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows flags them as sensitive, requiring caution when interacting with them. To unlock this specific GPD file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft Windows is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, understanding GPD role. GPD files are components of Windows printer drivers and do not require manual interaction during normal printing. They reside in the Windows driver directory and are processed by the Unidrv print subsystem. Windows uses GPD definitions to populate the printer properties. Dialog with the correct feature options for your specific printer model. Next, editing for custom printers. If developing custom printer drivers, edit GPD files in a text editor following Microsoft's GPD specification. Define printer features with options and associated command strings. Use the GPD compiler included in the Windows driver kit to validate GPD syntax and generate the binary data files required by the Unidrv driver framework. Finally, troubleshooting print issues. If a printer offers incorrect options or produces unexpected output, the GPD file may be misconfigured. Reinstall the printer driver to restore the correct GPD definitions. For custom or OEM printers, contact the manufacturer for updated GPD files or driver packages that correctly define the printer's capabilities and command set. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.